singing and strumming at the same time seem like just an overwhelming, frustrating challenge? I've seen this with so many of my students, and I had my own struggles with it. I'm Lisa, I'm the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that ukulele players make the world a better place, and I'm going to show you some hacks today that are going to make that challenge less frustrating, and it might even get you there faster. So grab your ukulele, get your favorite beverage, and let's dive in. The first thing that I'm going to say is these hacks that I'm going to give you will work so much more effectively if you do them daily, and I mean 7 days a week. Even if it's just 2 minutes a day. We're going to be building a mental nervous system highway, and it works a lot better if you show up every day, even if it's just for a little bit, rather than doing it sporadically. The first hack I'm going to share with you is choose your song wisely. There's a criteria that you need to follow. First of all, the chords need to be easy for you, and not just sort of easy, really easy. You should be able to fluently switch those chords. The second thing is looking for a song that has lyrics that contain a lot of repetition. This will be your friend because you won't have to think so much about the lyrics. Take a song that you can sing well independently of your ukulele that you don't have to think so hard about. And lastly, make sure that your chord chart is a good chord chart, that the chords are placed exactly where they need to be, and you might even be looking for some kind of helpers, like each chord pattern is noted in the chord chart, or that there's a box diagram in the chord chart as well. And I invite you to become a patron. At $3 a month, you get access to over 180 chord charts. You can cancel at any time, and you get 2 live Zoom sessions for that $3. So become a patron, and thanks to all of you who have already become patrons. We're going to borrow techniques from dance instructions, been used for, well over 100 years, and Indian drumming techniques as well. We're going to use your words. So what do I mean? For example, if you are working on a strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, say your words with it. You could just say even down, down, up, down, down, up, and just spend some time just doing that in isolation. Other examples of words that you could use would be 1, 2 things, 1, 2 things, 1. Or you could use what I learned in European pedagogies, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Those are very useful because you can use those along with other patterns, and that's what they do in Indian drumming. You can't even play a drum until you master your words first. If you were learning the island strum, you could be doing like banana air papaya, banana air papaya. You could also be doing the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That does work for some people, but because there's so many downs and ups, you can kind of get lost in it. So I really suggest a phrase like banana and then air for the rest, and papaya, which came to me from a comment from a viewer. Thank you so very much. When you use your words, it gives you an opportunity to become a mental ninja. A mental ninja trick on the ukulele is to practice when you have some downtime away from your ukulele, and it may just even be 30 seconds while you're at a stoplight, and you can just be saying down, down, up, down, down, up. Or, you just have a moment to sit down and take a breath, and then you could be going down, down, up, down, down, up again. You do need to remind yourself to do these, so put a little sticky note somewhere on your car dashboard or in your bathroom window so you remember to do it when you're in the shower or brushing your teeth. Well, it's hard to use words when you brush your teeth, but you can think it. Our body works together. It's just a marvel of engineering, and we are literally building new nervous system highways in order to connect what we know in our head with our hands and with our mouth and put it all together on our ukuleles. So get your whole body involved in the process. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. When you're using your words, you can put the beat on your body, and that will help your body to actually feel it. You'll also be getting tactile sensations, which help you build that nervous system highway, because your head has already got this. It understands it. It's got it. But then it's just training all the muscles and everything to coordinate together and work together. And you can short circuit that by putting some tactile sensation in it. And we have so many receptors in our feet. So I really recommend that you move your feet while you're doing it. When I taught percussion classes, I had my students stand up and put the beat in their feet. I used to practice complicated Brazilian samba things while I was taking a walk because this helped me keep the beat. Think of these tactile sensations as more entry ramps onto that nervous system highway. Knowing how many times you have to repeat a strumming pattern is really essential to be able to fit it in together with the song. Let me show you how to use a box diagram in order to work on building up your strength in strumming. Each box that you see, we're just going to do one down strum. It's going to be nice and relaxed. See if you can follow along first of all. 1. Oh yeah, pick up your ukulele. You're doing this with me, right? 1, 2, and here we go. C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, C, 2, C, 2, C, 2, and G, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, and C, 2, C, 2, and G, 2, and C, 2, 3, 4. All right. So if that's feeling nice and smooth, then try humming the song. Now this is Peace Like a River. It's an African American spiritual. Now if it's all the criteria, tons of repetition in the song, easy chords, but if you don't know the song, then this isn't a good choice for you. I'm going to hum it, doing the same thing that we just did. It's got a little vocal pickup into it, so 1, 2, 3. La da 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 All right. Once that is feeling nice and smooth, then try adding a strum pattern to it. No words yet, just still using the box diagram. So we're going to do a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, a 2-beat strum. And we're just going to keep it nice and relaxed, still just humming. 1, 2, 3, da 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 da. Now you might find that if you're trying to do this away from me and without the little boppity boops on the box diagram showing you exactly where you are, cut it in half. Just do the 4 top lines in it. You know, that's my next hack, is take things in really small, bite-sized pieces. So when you're tackling a song and trying to sing with it, I really recommend that you just try a portion of it. If you can do the whole thing, great. But any struggles, any challenge, frustration, those are the kind of the enemies to making you want to go and do it. So set yourself up for success. So taking an example of Down by the Riverside, you might not want to do the I'm gonna lay down my burden. Do the repeated parts and do down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. If getting down by in there is too hard, just, hum it. Riverside, riverside, riverside. Just do a portion of those lines. You want to set yourself up for success. And I've been training a puppy lately, and that's what they're telling you all the time, make it something that they can do. Let them be successful. And so you're doing the same thing for yourself, allowing yourself to be successful, because frustration, it doesn't help you. Once you've got those little bits and pieces happening, then see if you can expand it. Take it to another line. Do just the chorus. That's another great tip, is just tackle the chorus, because frequently we know the chorus is better. So I hope this is going to help you eliminate frustration, make this challenge seem much more doable, and give you the tools that you need in order to be able to do that. My last little tidbit is make it soft and gentle. Too many times we try to use lots of gross motor motions. Keep it nice and small and light. Economy of motion, building up your volume, that will come later. Just remember, it's a mindset thing. Rome was not built in a day, neither were the pyramids, and they probably used slave labor too, so that's evil. So just take a little bit at a time, do it consistently, and you will have that. Please let me know down in the comments below if this helped you, if you could see yourself eliminating this challenge and becoming a successful strummer. I'd sure like to hear from you, and I answer all my comments too. Take care.